Welcome back, Tigers! You have successfully completed your housing application and contract, and now it is time for you to create your roommate group and make optional changes to your living learning community. To make or change your LLC selection, click on My Housing from the home page. Then find the Change LLC choice on the left-hand side of the toolbar. This page will show you all the LLC options that you are eligible for. If you do not wish to join an LLC, you should select General Housing. The Save and Continue button will take you to the roommate profile page. On this page, you are required to write a bio about yourself and add optional social media usernames or email addresses that other students can use to connect with you. Once your bio is complete, you have access to the roommate groups. For incoming students, you will be able to access the roommate group process from March 9th at 8:30 a.m. up until May 15th at 12 p.m. So make sure all changes to your group are complete by then. New students may only create a roommate group of up to 2 students, while bridge students may create a roommate group of up to 4 students. Continuing students may also have a roommate group of up to 4. If you have selected to live in an LLC, you will only see other students who selected the same LLC as you. General housing simply means that you have opted not to live in an LLC. There are a couple different ways to join a roommate group. You are able to find a specific roommate by last name or Clemson username. You can also search for a roommate based on high overall match percentage. For incoming students, when you send a roommate request, they will be required to accept your request. When you send a roommate invite, an email will be sent to the student you are inviting to your roommate group. Once they receive the email, they are required to log back into the Clemson home portal and confirm. All invites are canceled automatically after 7 days if no acceptance has taken place. Once you have joined or formed a roommate group, your group will display under My Housing. You will easily be able to send a message or view the profile of the student or students in your group. To leave a group, you can click the Leave This Group button. Remember, all roommate groups must be finalized by May 15th at 12 p.m., and no changes can be made to your group after this point. For additional assistance on navigating the roommate group process, please visit the Clemson Home website. You are now one step closer to finalizing your Clemson home.